Welcome to the Hewlett Packard booth here at Drupa, and welcome to the Label and Packaging division of Indigo. Now this technology we're going to show you is pretty amazing, but we're going to prove to you why it's amazing. We're going to start with a WS6600 press. Now you're going to ask me a question, what does WS stand for? Well, the WS stands for Web Specialty. Now what makes it so special? Well, the material I can run on is really what makes it special. I can go from 12 micron up to 450 micron and anything in between. So if I want to run PVC, PLA, PET, PETG, BOPP, OPP, I can do this all day. So we can run anything. We can run pressure sensitive labels, wine stock, semi-gloss. It really doesn't matter. And those applications can be covered, like 28 different applications on this press. Now, to start, we're going to go with the Unwind Station over here. It's going to be a 48-inch outside diameter roll coming off. And again, anodized aluminum, wood, doesn't matter. We have an inline primer here. Now the inline primer allows us to run on your stock. You don't have to have two inventories. Just have one inventory of the normal material you're running. We'll send it through the system. Pretty easy for an operator. It really takes care of itself. From there, in the winding, it's going to come into our WS6600 press engine. I'm going to open a door for you so you can look inside. Now, this is digital offset printing. Why is it digital? Well, because of the way it images. We're going to image from a laser writing head to a plate to a blanket and then onto the material. So this is our plate that we're using. It's a photoconductive plate. Now this plate is charged and then discharged every single revolution. I'm doing yellow, magenta, cyan, black, orange, violet, white, whatever. I'm printing 7 colors on this press. Now job after job after job, I use the same plate, as well as the blanket. Now the blanket I'm going to use is also electronically charged. This blanket, very similar to offset if you were to feel it. And this allows us to go from one job to the next with really no make ready. So environmentally, this press is amazing. We really don't have any waste when we're trying to build these jobs. So I can do multiple SKUs all day long. Now, I mentioned that we're electronically charging our image, laser, plate, blanket, image. We are one shot, which means we run our press and build our image up, yellow, magenta, blah, 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 and then we transfer once, so our registration is perfect. And it doesn't matter if we're running on shrink film. You're thinking there's going to be distortion, but we compensate for that distortion. And then we can run fold and cart and anything in between. So if you're looking at some unique materials like metallized board, we have ColorLogix in our booth, and they're really taking a process approach to metallic inks. So since we're not printing the metallic inks, they're going to print on silver board and show you some unique graphics with a click of a mouse because of the software. So if you want to do some wine labels that's really going to make people buy their product, they're going to take that on silver material, print our white ink, and then a process on top. And people don't believe that it's not foil. We're not foil stamping. So whether you want to do cartons or you want to do labels, it doesn't really matter. We have a lot of these samples for you to see. They're really exciting for us. Now this one also covers labels. So we do have our partners Label Tracks and CERM. And we also have a partner in a booth with Prisma. If you want to do online or web ordering, web to print, they're the solution for you. So I hope you understand that HP is amazing, but what's more amazing is the partners we work with. They're the ones that help us with the whole end-to-end solution.